Alrighty folks, Rich is back. Today I'm working on a Porsche Cayenne 2011. Customer lost all the keys. Currently we have my adapter. So for those of you wondering, it's the Porsche BCM adapter XDNP17. I already have put it onto the board. It was I believe a 5M48H. So now I'm going to save, edit, just check the file, make sure there's data there. Awesome. Save as. Just put here 2011 Porsche Cayenne. Already known as D-Flash. So I'm gonna save another one just in case. Just for me at least. So D-Flash. Come on. I should put D-Flash Porsche. Awesome. Perfect. So go back to here. Should I go back to IMMO? Europe. Porsche. New. Here. Generate. It's EEPROM 5M. Here. We're gonna go to my recent files. It's gonna be, what's today? It's probably gonna be the PROG on today's. There we go. So that's the backup files. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. So we're going to go to the next position, which is 4. Try that again with the key inside. It was on PROG. This one. 16. Okay. Position 4. Keys inside the slot. Select the EEPROM file. Alright, so we're gonna just save it here. New Porsche key. Generated successfully. Please refresh. Newly saved. Generate. It says just refresh the newly saved file to the car. Okay.